In shooting games, the monster system is a crucial part. A good monster system design can bring players the ultimate lawn mowing experience, such as monster vitality, number of monsters, frequency, location, etc. It will affect the difficulty of the game and the player's experience. This lesson, let's build a monster system together. Previous course, we have implemented encapsulation of animation components, implemented object pooling. With these foreshadowing, we can more conveniently create a monster system. First of all, we need to put monster-related materials import into the project. Open the pre-class package. Find zombie-related material. Drag to the project panel. Character folder. Then search in the project panel. Find the zombie prefab. Drag to the scene window or the left hierarchical window. Get zombie node. Right-click. Select preform. Open. After unpacking the preform, only the nodes generated through the prefab can be edited. In addition to adding animations to zombies, other behaviors of the zombies need to be controlled later. And life state. So we change this node to zombie model. And create a new parent node zombie. Play due to zombie animations. It's similar to the player animation. So, modify the resulting file to zombie animation. Just modify it to an attack animation. Ctrl+S to save. Give the zombie model node. Add animation component. Then mount the custom component above. And set the corresponding property value. The zombie animation effect is normal. Now there is only one zombie in the game scene. Actual game runtime. There will be a steady stream of zombies. Simultaneously, zombies are also constantly being wiped out by players. So, next you need to apply object pooling technology. Because of the number of zombies, instantiation interval, etc. The value of the parameters affects the difficulty of the game. So we are in the script folder. Create a new managers folder. In this folder, create a new level manager (TS) file. Double-click to open. Add configuration for zombie instances in this class. Like zombie prefabs, the number of objects in the zombie instantiation pool. Can the number of zombie instances increase? Zombie instance parent. Zombie instantiation interval. We are going to be in this class, managing zombies with an object pool. So, to add a private variable, type is set to object pool. Add another timer, used to control the zombie generation interval. Then in the onStart method, instantiate the object pool and call the init method. Initialize the zombie object pool. Afterwards, under the Manager node, create a new Level Manager subnode and add the above custom component Level Manager. Then you need to bind the zombie prefab to this component and zombie instance parent. Zombie prefab. You can add it just now. Automated zombies. Made into a prefab. Then unlock the zombie node. Can be under other nodes. Create a subnode zombie inst parent as the parent of the zombie instance, used to store all zombies generated in the actual game, depending on the level. Multiple freak points can be set. Give zombies a certain interval. Appear at any freak point. Here we create multiple subnode points. Adjust the position of each strange point in order to test the generation of zombies. In the Level Manager custom component, increase the parent attribute for generating zombie locations. Then give the Level Manager component just now. Set related property values. Bind zombie prefab. Zombie instance parent. Zombie instance location parent. Here we go. You need to regularly retrieve zombies from the object pool. Appears at several random freak points. During testing, let's say every second, get a zombie from the object pool. Occurs randomly at any generation point. Here, there are several issues that need to be resolved. How to time. To ensure that it is generated once every second. How to random the location of zombies. First question. How to generate zombies every second. We need to set a timer in the game. To figure out how to time in the game, we need to understand the game engine's API first. There is a time class in the game engine. Its delta time property. can get the time interval from the previous frame to the current frame. So, we can customize the script in Level Manager. Add a timer. Then add a cooldown timing method. It's a countdown strategy. That is every frame of execution. Subtract the time of one frame. If the remaining time is less than or equal to 0, explain that this time is over. Return true. It means that zombies can be generated. Otherwise, returns false to continue timing. Second question. How to random the location of zombies. We can find a few random outliers. Choose a location where zombies appear. So, need to provide a method for generating random integers. Because of math, is randomly generated. A random integer with interval 0, 1. The minimum can be 0. The maximum cannot be 1. So, we want to generate a random integer of a certain interval. You need to multiply it by the length of the interval and add 1. For example, suppose we want to generate the interval r, 5, random integer between. Take 5减2加1等于4 times math, random. The result is an integer between the interval 0, 4. After adding the minimum value of r, get the integer between the interval r, 6. Does not include 6. That is a random integer between the interval r, 5. After using the above two methods, we are again in the onUpdate method. Implement timed random generation of zombies. First call the previous timing method. If the timing method returns true, then get the zombie from the object pool. If the zombie fetched from the object pool is not undefined, then the location index where random zombies appear. Then get the strange point node according to the position index. Then set the location of the zombie to the location of the strange point. Then enable zombies. Final reset timer. In order to continue generating zombies next time, test run. Discover. Zombies can already appear regularly and randomly in the game. This lesson, we have achieved the initial construction of the monster system, and in the process, applied again the animation component we packaged earlier, and object pool components. After class, everyone will practice by themselves. In the next lesson, we will build the game scene.